Ireland's economy will grow by 9% this year, according to EY Ireland's latest Economic Eye forecast. The performance is boosted by strong exports in the first half of the year as companies sought to get ahead of US tariffs. It expects growth next year will moderate to 3.3%, while it predicts the domestic economy will grow by 3.2% this year and 2.6% next year.
It's clear that there's a lot of underlying strength and momentum in the domestic economy. We can see consumers are spending, and that's been supported by the labour market. So jobs are at a record high, and we expect further job creation. About 60,000 more jobs to be added next year, or this year, sorry, and then another 50,000 next year. So that's going to provide support. Wages are going up. Inflation is also low. Also, we have the government providing support in terms of public capital spending, which will help lift investment.
A survey by Enterprise Ireland has found that 97% of its client companies plan to expand into new markets over the next 12 months. Two-thirds expect export sales to grow this year, with 93% of exporters predicting growth in 2026. The survey also reveals that the Eurozone remains the top target region for Enterprise Ireland companies, followed by the UK and the US. Pfizer and the US President Donald Trump said they had cut a deal to lower the price of all prescription drugs in the Medicaid program for low-income Americans. As part of the deal, Pfizer will sell new prescription drugs at a most favoured nation price in exchange for tariff relief. President Trump also said he expects other drug makers to follow suit.
And they're all coming in over the next week. We're making deals with all of them. And I said, if we don't make a deal, then we're going to tariff them an extra 5, 6, 7, 8%, whatever the difference is, and we'll take it that way. So we took away the advantage by the fact that we have tariffs. We took away the advantage that they would have of just saying no, and we couldn't do anything about it.
Nike has reported a surprise increase in quarterly sales. It points to progress on a turnaround as the sports brand forecast a bigger cost hit from US tariffs. Its shares rose 3.4% in extended trading as Nike executives said their strategic pivot, branded as Win Now, was beginning to see greater success. Sales rose in every region except Greater China. Taking a look at the markets, the ISEC 20 index is 0.1% lower. Bank of Ireland and AIB gained. Origin Enterprises and PTSB are both lower. In London, the FTSE index is up 0.7%, while the DAX in Frankfurt is 0.4% higher. The CAC in Paris is also up 0.4%, while in Tokyo, the Nikkei closed 0.8% lower. And on the currencies, the euro buys 87 pence sterling and $1 US and 17.3 cents. That's the business news.